Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to solve class first sample paper 3 of maths subject. Let's start. First question. Find the sum of the two smallest number from this one, 18, 45, 12, 37 and 24. So let's find first smallest numbers. This 18 is small from 45, 24, 37 and this 12 is small from all these 5. So we got our two smallest numbers. First is 12 and second is 18. So what we have to do of these two numbers? We have to sum. Take a sum means we have to add them. So 18 plus 12. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry 1, 2, 3. So we got the answer as 30. And our options are 30, 42, 33, 29. So 30 is the correct answer, option A. Question number 2. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers in this series? Now we have 5 numbers from which we have to find the largest and the smallest number. So largest number we can see is 99. And the smallest number from among these 5 is 32. So now what we have to do is we have to find the difference of the both. So 99 largest minus smallest. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer is 67. Our options are 55, 64, 67 and 79. So correct answer is option C. Third question. If you add the numbers of sides of a triangle and a square, what is the result? Now let's see how many sides triangle have. 1, 2 and 3. So triangle has 3 sides. And how many sides square have? Square have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 sides. Now what we have to do? We have to add them. So 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Options are 4, 7, 8 and 9. So correct answer is option B, 7. Fourth question. What is 5 more than double of 15? Now we have to do double of 15. So 15, double of 15 is 30. And we have to add 5 more to it. So we added it. So now 30 plus 5 is 35. Where is this option? There is answer is on option number D. So correct answer is D. Fifth question. What number is shown on abacus? Now see, this is abacus where each bead count as 1. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So on hundreds rod it is 3. On tens rod it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 on tens rod, and units rod 1 and 2. So we have our answer as 342 on abacus, and options are 332, 432, 352 and 342. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 6. Add the following numbers. Now we have to add them. So we'll do it one by one. 15 plus 32. It is 7 and this is 4, 47. Now plus add 8 to it. So it will be 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15. 1, it is 55. So our answer is 55 and it is on option number C. What is 18 more than 29? Now we have 29 and we have to find 18 more to it. That means we have to add it. Now when we add it, 8, 8, 16 plus 1 is 17 and 1 of here carry 2, 1 and 3. 37. Oops. My bad. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is not 30, it is 47. Okay. So option C is the correct one. Sometimes when we are in hurry or we do fast calculation, it might get wrong. So we have to cross check it. Like this was the mistake which I was going to do. I just added 2 and 1, 3 and just wrote it. Whereas I have to add one more to it. And see, adding method can be different for everybody. So you can use your technique of adding the sum. Eighth question. Don't get confused of in whatever method of adding I am doing. If you have 18 candies and get 25 more, how many do you have in total? Total means you have to add the numbers. So 18 candies plus you got 25 more. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 13, 3 here and 1 carry. Now be careful. 2 plus 1, 3 and plus 1, 4. So 43 is the correct answer. 43 is on option number B. The question 8 correct answer is 43B. Add the numbers on the abacus. Now again see here, hundreds rod 1, 2, 3, tens rod 1, 2, 3, 4, and units rod 1 and 2. So first abacus we have 342. Now here we have to add with hundreds rod 1, 2, 3, tens rod 1 and 2, and units rod 2. So the numbers which we got from two abacus is 342 and 322. Now we have to add it. 2 and 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. So our answer should be 664. And here we have options as 666, 656, 664, and 644. So correct answer is 664, option C. 10th question. Add the bananas. Now, how many bananas are these? We have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is 8. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over here. Now 8 plus 6 is how much? Count it. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So our answer is 14 bananas. Now here options are 11, 12, 13, and 14. So option D is the correct answer. 11th question. Alex has 53 candies and gives 24 to his friend. How many candies does he have left? Now see, left is given. That means we have to subtract it. So 53 minus 24. So it is 3, so we'll do it 13. So 13 minus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 over here. And it becomes 4 over here. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 29. And option B is the correct answer for this question. If dash minus 17 is equals to 20, what is the missing number? Now, whenever this type of sums are given, what you have to do is, suppose we take x as our wanted number, and then what you have to do is, like, x minus 17 is equals to 20. Now you have to take this number to the other side of this equal to, so that you can get the answer of x. Now here we did x is equals to 20, and this sign, when it goes to that side, it changes. So it is minus over here, it becomes plus over here, like this. So now 20 plus 17 is 37. So x is equals to 37. And let's check it also. If x, we put 37 on place of x and we subtract minus 17 from it, what we get? 0 and 2. So that means our value of x is correct, isn't it? And here this 37 is on option number C. So 12th answer, C is the correct one. 13th one. 98 minus 49 is equals to what? Now they have just given directly that you have to subtract and get the answer. So we'll subtract it. 98 minus 49. Now it is 18. We have borrowed 1 from here. So 18 minus 9 is 9. And it becomes 8 over here. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So 49 is the correct answer. That is option C. 14th question. If a number minus 18 is 45, what is the number? See, now they have asked you number. Let's say number is equals to x. Now the equation which we have to make is number minus 18 is equals to 45. Now we have to find x. So we'll keep x over here. We'll move all this number over here. So it will be 45 and this sign will change. So it will be plus 18. So now we have to just add it and see what the answer is. 18 plus, okay. 8, 9, 10. I'll just make it easy for you. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These are 5 lines. Yeah. So it is 13. And one over here. So it is 4, 5 and 6. So 63 is the answer. 63, option number C is the correct answer. Fill in the blank. The difference between 90 and dash is same as 60 minus 14. Now there should be some number over here. So difference between 90 and that number is same as 60 minus 45. Now let's subtract and see what the difference is. 5 and 1, 15. So 15 is the number, that is the difference. Your number will be something different, but subtraction, let's see like this equation. 90 minus x is equals to 15. Now what we'll do is, we'll just take this minus x over there. Okay, we will take this minus x to make it plus. So when it will go over here, it will be 90 is equals to 15 plus x. Now this comes to x, that is okay. Now we have to subtract this from 90 to get the value of x. Now this is plus over here, so it will go over here and it will become minus. 90 minus 15. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5 and over here it becomes 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 75 is the answer. Now let's put it over here. Fill in the blank. The difference between 90 and 75. Our answer is 75. 90 and 75 is same as the difference between 60 minus 45. Okay, let's check it. Here we know that the difference is 15. Now we have to check over here. So it is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. We took 1 from here, so it became 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. See, equal. Okay, got it how to do it? Let's move ahead. 16th question. Which is of the following is the correct comparison? Now we have to find the correct comparison. Okay. 1 kilogram is heavier than 100 gram. 1 meter is shorter than 100 centimeter. 50 grams is heavier than 500 grams. And 1 liter is lighter than 100 milliliter. So among this, the correct one is this one. Because we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So if it is 100 gram, that means that this is heavy than this one, isn't it? So this is the correct answer, option A. 17th. If a bag of rice weighs 500 grams, how much will 3 bags of rice weigh? 500 gram is of 1 bag. Okay. So 3 bags, how much will it weigh? So it will be 500 into 3 because we have to get the increased number, like 3 bags number we have to find out. So we'll just put 2 zeros like this only, and then we will add 5 and multiply 5 into 3, that will be 15. So it will be 1500 gram. And where it is on the option B. This is the correct answer. 18th. You have a pencil that is 15 centimeter long. If you stack 5 pencils together, how long will the stack be? Now see, suppose this is a pencil of 15 meter. Okay. Now you keep one more 15 meter, one more 15 meter, one more 15 meter, and one more 15 meter. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now how much will it be? The stack will be. This total you have to find. So what we'll do, we will multiply 15 into 5, means 5 times we are doing 15. Isn't it? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 times 15. So what will this answer be? 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 5 1s are 5, and this is 2 over here. We have to add it 7. So 75 centimeter. Okay, you just have to add, you always have to put unit at the end if there is something in unit question is being asked. So 75 centimeter is the correct answer. Option A. 19th. A teacher has a ribbon that is 5 meters long. She cuts it into pieces, each measuring 50 centimeter. How many pieces will she have? Now the ribbon is suppose 5 meters long, okay, and she cuts it into pieces. Each piece is 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Okay. Now how many pieces will she do? So what we'll do is like 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, isn't it? So 5 meter is equals to 500 centimeter. Now this unit is centimeter and this unit is centimeter. Now they came into same unit, common unit. Now we can do it like 500 centimeters. Okay. So 500 centimeter is one, like one ribbon is of that. Now we have to cut it into pieces. Okay. And each piece has to be of 50 centimeter. So we have to divide 500 by 50. So 0 cancelled. 5 tens are 50. So we'll make 10 pieces of that 5 meter long ribbon. And then here our answer is on option B. Option B is the correct one. 20th. Which of the following is longer? Now what you can see is the longer is among these three pictures. Obviously, the stick is longer than all other things. So therefore, option A is the correct one. 21st. How many seconds are in 1 minute? Now we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? And 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So B is the correct answer, 60 seconds. 22. If the time is 2 hours and 25, I mean, if the time is 2:25 p.m., okay, what time will it be 1 hour and 50 minutes later? So it is 2:25 after 1 hour. So we will add hour over here because this is minutes and this is hours. So it will be 3:25. Now we have to add 50 minutes to it. Now 50 minutes, let's say 25 minutes plus 50 minutes, isn't it? So it will be 5 and 6, 7. Now we know that 1 hour, let me do over here, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? Now it is 75 minutes. So 75 minutes minus 60, because that 60 minutes will go in hour. So this comes to be 15 when we subtract this two. So what we'll do is we will just keep this 1 hour, add it to this one, and 15 minutes separate. Like 3 plus 1 is 4 and 15 minutes individually. So it will be like 4:15 p.m. So option D is the correct answer. 23rd. A meeting starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 12 p.m. 9:30 a.m. and 12 p.m. How long did the meeting start? A meeting started at 9:30. So we just let's do add 30 minutes to it to make it a round figure. So it becomes 9:30 plus 30. So it is 10. Now 10 p.m. to 11 and 11 to 12. It becomes 1 hour and second hour. So 2 hours and this 30 which we did earlier. So it is 2 hours and 30 minutes. So where is this option? Option B, 2 hours and 30 minutes. 24th. Which of the following is the correct sequence for a typical day? Now how does our day starts? It is morning, then afternoon, then evening, and then night. Isn't it? Or it is night, evening, afternoon, morning. No, not like this. Afternoon, morning, evening, night. Not at all. Morning and then night and then afternoon. No, no. So what is the correct one? Option A, morning, afternoon, evening and night. Option A is the correct one. 25th. How many minutes are there in 1 hour and 15 minutes? Now, since we have asked 50, we have been asked minutes. So we have to convert this hour into minute. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? So they have given 15 minutes already. So we will add this 60 to this 15 and it will be 75 minutes in total. Option A is the correct one. 26th. You have a 20 rupee note and buy a toy for 12 rupees. Are you how much money are you have with? So see, we have to find out how much we are left with. So 20 minus 12, we have to subtract. It is 8. So we are left with 8 rupees. Option B. 27th. Which costs more? A toy that costs 18 rupees or a book that costs 15 rupees? So which costs more? We can see that 18 rupees is more than 15 by 3 rupees. So that's why option A, toy costs more. 28. If you have a 50 rupee note, a 20 rupee note and a 10 rupee coin, how much money do you have? So we have been asked to total it. So it will be like 50 plus 20. They have asked the total amount plus 10. So it is 50, 60, 70 and 80. 80 rupees. Option B is the correct one. 29th. If you have two 5 rupee coins, three 2 rupee coins and one 1 rupee coin, how much money do you have? So we are again asked to total it. But we have two coins of 5 rupees, three coins of 2 rupees and one coin of 1 rupee. So we have to multiply and get the final amount, that is 2 fives are 10. Then we will add it. 3 twos are 6 and 1 ones are 1. Now this is the amount which we have exactly. Now we have to add it. 6 plus 1, 7 and 1 from here. So we have 17 rupees. And options are 10 rupees, 13 rupees, 17 rupees and 20 rupees. So 17 is the correct answer. Option C. 30th. How much money is shown in the figure? This is 20, this is 20, this is 5 and this is 5. So 20, 20, 5 and 5. Okay, we have to add all of them. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 over here. 2 plus 2, 4 and 5. So correct answer is option B, 50. 31. Which shape has 4 equal sides and 4 lines of symmetry? Now we have to find 4 equal sides. We know that square is the shape which has 4 equal sides and 4 lines of symmetry. So this is the correct answer, option A. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have? Equilateral triangle, what is it? Equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all the sides equal. All three sides are equal. So the line of symmetry which will cross all of them will be equal, make equal parts. So there are three lines of symmetry which an equilateral triangle will have. Option C is the correct answer. 33rd. What shape is created by joining two squares corner to corner? See now, when two squares are joined corner to corner, it will make a irregular hexagon. Okay? When we join it, it will make a irregular hexagon. So this is the correct answer. Option A. Which shape has more corners, an octagon or a hexagon? So which shape will have more corners? Octagon has 8 sides and hexagon has 6 sides. So what we have to find out now here? Which shape has more corners? So obviously more corners will be of octagon. So correct answer is A, octagon. 35th. Which shape has one curved face and a flat circle at the base? So one curved face and one flat circle at the base. It is cone, because cone is the shape which has one flat circle at the base and one curved face. So option D is the correct answer. 36th. If you subtract 3 from 10 and then add 5, what is the result? If we subtract 3 from 10, so we subtract 3 from 10, we will get 7. And then if we add 5 to it, what will get? We will get 12. See, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 is the answer. Option A is the correct one. 37th. Which of the following sets of numbers is in the correct ascending order? Ascending order means which goes from smaller to the bigger number. So this is not the correct one. Even this is not correct. And this is also not correct. Correct one is this. 25, then bigger number 30, then bigger number 35. So option C is the correct one. 38. A basket has 6 apples. You pick 2 apples and then put 3 apples back in. How many apples are left in the basket? Left means you have to subtract. Now you have 6 apples. You pick 2 apples. So we subtracted, it became 4. Now there were 4 in the basket. Then you put 3 apples back in means you put it inside 3 apples. So now in the basket there are 7 apples. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the correct answer. So option C is the correct one. 39. If a group of 10 people, in a group of 10 people, if 4 are children and the rest are adults, how many adults are there? So we have to find out adults from the 10 people. So we'll subtract children from it. 10 minus 4, that is 6. So our answer is 6 adults. Option A. 40th. Which of these numbers is the odd one out? Now, odd one out we have to find out. Okay. So from among these 4 options, the correct answer to this is 15. Because 15 is, see this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, these are all multiples of 2. But 15 is not the multiple of 2. That's why option D is odd one out. Okay. And this was our last question. We did 40 sums. Hope you find this interesting and informative. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.